everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 841 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Kismet Beautify Natural Lip Conditioner and I am so excited about this. I actually just posted the other day a unboxing video and giveaway with the brand Kismet. So I will have that video linked down below because the giveaway is still open. It's for a $50 gift card to their website. And I did it along with my little PR unboxing. So I did get this product for free, but this is not a sponsored video. Of course, my opinion is going to be completely honest. So this is the Bright and Bubbly Lip Conditioner. It sounds so nice. I struggle with dry lips, so this sounds like a perfect product for me. And just look at how cute this packaging is, and it's pink. This is pretty big too. This is a lot of product. It says it's made with an all-natural blend of olive oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, and soy wax to give lips a deep burst of moisture and health boost. Wow, I love that this is 100% all natural. It's paraben free, phthalate free, cruelty free, and made in the USA. That's so awesome. This retails for $14. And oh my gosh, I can't wait to finally try this out. The smell is amazing. It smells exactly like cotton candy. I really don't like to eat cotton candy that much, but I love the scent of it. I've always loved the scent of it. I used to have a perfume that was cotton candy scented and I miss it and I want to get another. But oh my gosh. So this is like a whipped formula, supposedly. Let's find out. I don't know about that. It feels like a oil, glossy, petroleum jelly type texture. But wow, this is filled to the brim. Like, this is going to be able to last me for so long. So it doesn't have any color to it. It looks pink in the packaging, but it doesn't actually come out pink on the product on my lips. Okay, these lips are so chapped. Let's hope this helps. This even like has a sweet taste to it, along with it just smelling so good. Oh my gosh. When I rubbed my lips together, I just felt like the dry, chappedness to my lips completely go away. I feel like this absorbed really well. I'm left with just very natural finish, but very smooth and hydrated. It didn't really leave much shine, which I don't necessarily think is a bad thing. That way this is good as a base product underneath lipsticks. And if you just don't want a glossy lip, you can still apply this anytime. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. It's completely hydrating. My lips are not the least bit dry anymore. That was so fast. And it also smoothed out the texture in my lips. Like, my lips aren't plumped up, completely smooth. There's still a little bit of lines in my lips, but drastically less than there were before. Wow. Oh my gosh, and you seriously only need a tiny bit for it to completely moisturize the lips. I'm gonna go in with just a little bit more just for fun and see how it layers. Oh, but I love this. It seriously did exactly what I was hoping, where it would just be completely hydrating and nourishing for the lips. It does layer up nicely. I think the more I add, the more shine it has. But I also feel like it's smoothed out my lips even more now. I'm so excited about this, but then the fact that it's all natural, you don't have to worry about getting any bad chemicals, anything like that, like going into your mouth basically. But that's something all natural could be so effective. It's just so amazing and so impressive. And I feel like this is definitely worth $14. Oh, and I didn't even mention, I have a 20% off discount code, which if you use ChristyK20, I'll have that written in the description down below, you get 20% off your purchase. So I was saying this is definitely worth $14 because you get so much product that will last so long, since you only need like a little bit to get the completely moisturized effect. But if you use my 20% off discount code, it brings it to $11.20, which I feel like is such a great deal for this. When I posted my video, I got a lot of people saying that they were interested in the lip conditioner, and I was very interested in it as well. And now I can confidently say that it is so good and I highly recommend it. This makes me want to switch completely to natural lip conditioner, specifically this one here from Kismet, because it just worked so well. I am amazed. I need to use this every time my lips are dry, which it feels like they are not going to get as dry anymore after putting this on, because it just like seeped in. Like my lips drank it up and are so deeply moisturized right now. It's awesome. So if you are like me and you have dry lips, or if you just love natural lip products, definitely check this out. I highly recommend it. Get it for $11.20 with my 20% off discount code, and make sure you enter that giveaway as well. Because to enter that giveaway, all you have to do is follow Kismet on Instagram and leave a comment on that video with your Instagram handle. So it really doesn't get any easier than that, and you could win $50 to this amazing website. I have tried out the lip conditioner now and the vitamin C serum, both of which I am now obsessed with, and I'm so excited to try out the other products that I got as well. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.